Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form I-912. This form is officially known as a request for fee waiver, and it's a crucial tool for many applicants. It allows eligible individuals to avoid paying certain USCIS fees, making immigration processes more accessible. We'll cover the straightforward steps to complete and submit your application, ensuring you understand the requirements. Let's dive into how you can successfully file this important document with ease. To qualify for a fee waiver, your household income must generally be at or below 150% of the federal poverty guidelines. Another common way to qualify is if you or a dependent receive a means-tested benefit, such as Medicaid or SNAP. Even if these don't apply, you might still be eligible if you can demonstrate financial hardship, like significant medical debt or unexpected expenses. Understanding these criteria is the first step to a successful application. Once you've determined your eligibility, it's time to gather your supporting documents. You'll need proof of your household income, such as recent tax returns, pay stubs, or a letter from your employer. If you receive means-tested benefits, include copies of award letters or benefit statements. For those claiming financial hardship, a detailed personal statement explaining your situation, along with supporting evidence like medical bills, is essential. Organize everything clearly for a smooth process. After completing Form I-912, double-check all sections for accuracy and remember to sign it. Attach all your supporting documents in a clear, organized manner. Mail your completed Form I-912 along with the application or petition for which you are requesting a fee waiver to the correct USCIS address. Always keep a copy of your entire submission for your records. For more helpful resources and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. We hope this guide makes filing your fee waiver straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.